Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to set an alarm on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open the clock app on your iPhone. Now, tap on the alarm tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Here, set the time for your alarm. For this example, I will set it to 2 p.m. After setting the time, tap on repeat. Select the days on which you want the alarm to repeat. Now, go back and tap on label. Here, you can name your alarm. I will label it as YouTube. Next, tap on sound. You can choose a different alarm tone if you want. I will keep the default sound. Now, tap on snooze and select the snooze duration. I will set it to 6 minutes. Once everything is set, tap on save in the top right corner. Now, you have successfully set an alarm on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.